for apple, apple. B is for banana, banana. C is for cherry, cherry. D is for dragon fruit, dragon fruit. E is for elderberry, elderberry. F is for fig, fig. G is for grape, grape. H is for honeydew melon, honeydew melon. I is for ice apple, ice apple. J is for jackfruit, jackfruit. K is for kiwi, kiwi. L is for lemon, lemon. M is for mango, mango. N is for nectarine, nectarine. O is for orange, orange. P is for papaya, papaya. Q is for quince, quince. R is for raspberry, raspberry. S is for strawberry, strawberry. T is for tamarind, tamarind. U is for umbra fruit, umbra fruit. V is for vanilla bean, vanilla bean. W is for watermelon, watermelon. X is for zocanustal cactus fruit, zocanustal cactus fruit. Y is for yellow passion fruit, yellow passion fruit. Z is for zucchini, zucchini.